This time, I'll be showing you guys how to do newspaper nails. And you're probably like, newspaper nails? How are you going to do that? Well, keep watching to find out. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'd very much appreciate it. I'm almost to 20 subscribers. You will need a cup, some toes, some newspaper, and some alcohol. Put the alcohol in a cup and then stick the completely dry polish into the alcohol. Get the pre-cut newspaper and stick it onto the nail with the alcohol. If you need to add more alcohol, get you a Q-tip and stick it in the alcohol that you already used and add more. Clean up around the nail. Then this is what they look like when they're done.